This chapter is about multimodality. You will learn that multimodality is relevant in human-human interaction and human-machine interaction, and you will learn the basic definitions, terms and concepts. After having worked through the material of this online chapter, you will understand that humans interact multimodally and that this is also at the basis of multimodal human-computer interaction. Allowing for multimodality facilitates interactions not only between humans but also between human and machine. There are different definitions of multimodality. In this course, we focus on user input and output modalities and not necessarily on perceptual modalities. Acting multimodally consists of explicit, like commands, and implicit, like self-disclosure, communicative signals.